I am glad to know the launching of the UK One Jan Paryushan Festival. That is the greatest festival that all of you are celebrating, living abroad. This festival gives us strength, power, unity, Metta Bhavana, and love together. We should collectively make this power. खामे में सवे जीवा खेमंतु में मिट्टी में सब भुवेसु वैरंग मज्जंग नाकिना. This is the greatest message of Lord Mahavira. I forgive all the living creatures living in this world, beyond this world, under this world, above this world. They forgive me for my mistakes. This Parv, that is the Kshmapna Parv. Celebrate this Parv with Dan, Shil, Tap, Bhavana. Samastri Paryushan Parv gives us unity, strength, power to each member all over the world. This Parv is the purest Parv, the finest Parv, the beautiful Parv, the highest Parv. And we should sit together, listen to the preachings of Lord Mahavira, non-violence, Metta Bhavana, Anekantvad, love to each and everybody. Lord Mahavira give the message to Gautama, you are Atman, not the body. That is the Bhed Gyan. The difference between body and self. If we are Jain, we are following the preaching of Mahavira, we should have difference between body and self. Body will perishable. All the worldly things will perish, but the Atman, the pure self, live forever. They will not die at all. The principles of Mahavira, Bhed Vigyan. This is the fundamental principle of Jainism. Atman resides in the body, but not the body. Self is different, body is different. The self has infinite knowledge, perception, bliss and power. The real happiness, the real knowledge is in the self. The real power in the self. Go deeper and deeper to yourself. Do meditation, contemplate on self. You will get bliss and power. And also doing meditation in Saturday and Sunday for 1 hour. You can also join in YouTube and also do meditation that really gives you power. I wish and congratulate to Jaisukh Mehta ji and all the members to join this festival. Thank you very much.